To get all odds for a match, go to the match odds tab, and if you have any sources, click on get sources and select the one you want. Now to get the fixture ID, you can type it manually if you remember it, or you can go to the matches tab, click on get sharp matches and select the one you want. And then you can go back to match odds, and as you can see, it's right here. Now let's get all the odds. And as you can see, these ones have custom source set and they have a custom odd name. So that means they're mapped automatically. And if you go down a bit, you see that I haven't mapped these. We can also get odds that we do not calculate. And these are here. So let's see how this works in code. First we have logic for when the user controls, so when the tab is loaded, it will just show the current match, so that's the text up here. Now we have the logic for getting sources, so that's the get sources button. We just call this caller, let's see what it is. It's just a get request and it will return a list of strings. Then let's go back. We have when we change the source, so from change the source from this list, I only have one. We'll just fill up this text box. Then we have the logic for get all odds button. That's this button here. First we get the fixture ID, and we clear all the controls. So we would clear these text blocks. Let's see that. Then we check if the fixture ID is null. If it is, we'll just show a message box and return. Then if the fixture ID is indeed a number, we can check the custom source if it's null or not. Set these text blocks, and then we just call the caller for methods. Let's see what it is. It's a get request which has parameters fixture ID. If we're only going to get parameter odds, and we have custom source. To set this parameter odds only property, you can just go to the settings tab and check this checkbox here. Let's go back. And to get all the odds that we do not calculate, we again clear all the odd controls. Check if the selected match is null. So the selected match, that's the one on the matches tab. Then we check the custom source, set this text block up here, and call the caller. And that's again a get request which has parameters fixture ID and custom source. And then we just set these text blocks and sort if you want, and that's that. To look up all of our API documentation, go to the help tab, then scroll all the way down to API documentation, or search for it in the search up here. Click it, and then Swagger will open up with all of our API methods.